10 Best Tools for Keyword Research, 2025. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 10 best tools for keyword research. Finding the right keywords is crucial for any SEO campaign. These tools will help you discover high-traffic keywords that you can actually rank for. Let's start with the classic, Google Keyword Planner. This tool is perfect for both SEO and PPC campaigns. You can get keyword ideas, volume estimates, and competition data. Next up, Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. This powerful tool helps you discover high-traffic keywords with a focus on actual ranking potential. It provides in-depth data like keyword difficulty and SERP overview. SEMrush is a comprehensive tool for keyword research and competitor analysis. You can uncover keywords your competitors are targeting and gain valuable insights into their strategies. Suggest is a great option for a competitor analysis. You can easily see which keywords your competitors are ranking for and identify gaps in their keyword coverage. Moz Keyword Explorer provides excellent keyword suggestions and in-depth SERP analysis. You can see which keywords are most competitive and identify opportunities for ranking. Answer the Public visualizes search questions and autocomplete queries in a unique and insightful way. This helps you understand how people are actually searching for information. Don't underestimate the power of ChatGPT for keyword brainstorming. It can generate a wealth of seed keyword ideas based on your initial input. KW Finder specializes in long-tail keywords with lower SEO difficulty. This is great for finding niche-specific keywords that are easier to rank for SpyView, allows you to see the keywords your competitors are actually using in their paid and organic search campaigns. Keywords Everywhere is a browser extension that provides keyword data directly within Google search results and other platforms. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the best keyword research tools available. Remember, finding the right keywords is crucial for SEO success. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.